Well, here's Otter between a snowdrift and a car. Don't know if you can really tell that, but come on, Otter. Let's go. Let's go. Let's show everybody. I know. It's not fun, is it? Woohoo! Where'd you go? Right there. Okay. It's a mush season, right, honey? There she goes. Oh, she found a trail. Otter, come here. 1, 2, no. Quiet. Quiet. I know. Okay, let's go. Let's mush. Come on. There's another dog. Oh, you can't see him. But that was a Labrador, black. And Otter, come on, let's go mushing. Let's mush. Shh, quiet, quiet. Okay, let's keep going. Come on. Let's keep going. Okay. Let's go this way, Otter. Come on. Come on. Let's go this way. Come on. This is really how deep it is. So, like, yeah, it's pretty much mid-cap on me, and I'm standing on snow, so it must be about mid-knee, or, excuse me, knee. Come on, Otter. Let's keep going. Yes, I know. Honey, you're not being really good with the shots here. So, yeah. So that's our newfound trail right there. That's all us, me and Otter, so. And then this is what Otter. She's all covered in snow, but, so yeah. Look at that head. Okay, let's keep going. Come on. Come on, this way. Come on. It's like she's swimming. Seriously, don't worry. I got her leash. Okay, come on, let's keep going. Woohoo! Yeah, it took her forever to find a place to poop. I gotcha. Don't worry. Woohoo! Your face is all covered. You want to go home and go eat some Mama's kitchen? Okay. It's time for a little embark. I don't have any food, but thank goodness I have food for Otter. Might have to end up eating that. So, but that's okay. Okay, back out. Let's keep going. Oh, I want to show somebody our door. There's the neighbor's door. That's all snow in front of it. Okay. This other door is more impressive. Come on, honey. It's okay. That's all snow. And there's the owl. It's not running right now. Brown line down. And there's the other door. You can't really tell, but it's like covered up to like half of it. So, yeah. Okay. You ready? Okay, let's go. Come on. As we mush. Okay, so all the snow that we've already plowed is, up to Otter's head. So, yeah. And she's just, of course, going for the path instead of mushing. So you see, that's what it looks like in Chicago. I feel like I'm reporting. Oh, and look. Come on. Bonk, bonk. Honey, it's just another dog. It's okay.